kalatvlive Machiegni Pacho ma e odwa.
Of cohesiveness of our country. Umpende usipende yeye ndiye pale ambapo sisi wote tunashikamana kama Wakenya.
Ni orengono wacho ni gin kaka jolinda mwananchi gin gi yie ni lek mar gibro chopo kare kendo nomedo dhi nyime wacho ni ene jatelo madun burano mano mar ODM gi thuolo masani.
Guarantee you anything, particularly the Maasai. What it matters is that you must fight for your rights. You must fight for your rights. Governments are very dangerous things. And in Maasai land, because I've been here a lot. Because I've been here a lot. The Maasai
watu wa Narok tunajua ile kazi ambayo county government imefanya na ile national government imefanya. Na kama county government imefanya na ile national government imefanya. Na kama kuna ingine bado tutafanya. Hii mwaka moja ambayo imebaki.
Na ningependa kusema kama mama.
Hii mwaka moja ambayo imebaki.
Na ningependa kusema kama mama ya kwamba ni lazima
kwa wacho ni jogo makwedo chik makamani. Omed wacha dito giwe nyiso jopiny che mamiriambo chik mar medano mabende wacho ni ber mokalo ne okaw kang mar bene seyo governor mar county no Masia James Orengo
teachers by making work easier for us. Vanas will pass for us. Vanas will pass yesterday says that if you are a landlord in Ukwala and you live in America, we don't want you to be having land in America. We don't want you to be having land in Ukwala, receiving rent, hired goons to go and beat up people who paid bribes to get jobs in the county. Orengo has no moral authority to ask for anybody to the streets because he is a failed governor.
Have agreed that this is the year CS where every institution in this country will have an industry within the college, and this research out
have resolved that we shall not be spectators in the global contest for skills. We have positioned ourselves as a supplier of talent, innovation, and practical solutions, first to our own economy and thereafter to the wider world. In view of the current crisis of youth unemployability within the country and the globe at large, it is not merely a local challenge, but a global crisis fueled by massive global mega and with this
bende koringiyo e pacho kam magino wacho e sach keto ayanga bende koringiyo e pacho kam magino wacho e sach keto ayanga lichal ma tich kata report ma tich kaka county ma vego sebedo katiyo kama bel ma tich kata report ma tich kaka county ma vego sebedo katiyo kama beno wacho ni chik mar ndiko jitich oyiene mana nyaka tamalo 35 kende ni chik mar ndiko jitich oyiene mana nyaka tamalo 35 kende kaka kamano wacho ni magi
employ more people, because when I employ a nurse, employ more people. Because when I employ a nurse, they say that is a recurrent. But to me, a nurse is doing a development agenda by providing health services, is doing so. Equally a teacher. So that's one challenge we have. Even government itself, I don't think the national government, he's here, he can confirm. We are not at 35%. Most of the counties, there are very few, particularly the northeastern counties that have very few people.
Also what is happening at the national level, the vision has never had a comprehensive. We normally have annual reporting. We normally have annual reporting. But this year and possibly before December, we shall have a comprehensive.
Pacho kaindi kana gichako kotel no ero mag nyithind skunde JSS kanyakla koda mago mag jo primary manaka kileronwa koda migosi Edwin Souma jagoro mar Music Festival JSS kanyakla koda primary.
Here we are at St. Elizabeth Girls Primary and Boarding in Seme Sub-County, where we are holding this year's Kenya Music Festival. This event started officially on Tuesday. The sub-county will require to use 24 buses or even 20 buses. And if you look at geographically or demographically, the number of buses that we have in our sub-counties are most of cases that are less than 10.
Bidino dhi nyime kod lero ni omor kod kiti chia kanyakla koda talanta maoji.
That I want to assure the country, I want to assure Kisumu County and the regional at large that these items that I saw here are generally going to proceed not only to the regional but beyond the regional and carry the country's flag in those particular classes. Not only in Hall 1, but in many of these halls that were here.
Deriko dhi nyime kod lero ni
in many of these halls that were here.
Deriko dhi nyime kod lero ni entie kod geno kod chama lich mokalo ni timbe eko mabende okawo keregi e piem eko mag were Kisumu County bro ting'o malo nying Kisumu anya to giko eganieri.
Actually, many of the items that were being presented in Hall 1 are all they are either folk songs, they are always either secular folk songs with sacred text, or the traditional group dances in Kenya and beyond, which are expressing our culture. And yes, indeed, anybody who wants to know the culture, who wants to be part of that culture.
Neno ni chike mibiro keto obiro keto agenga ne jog mani higni 18 kadok chien mondo mi kik ti kod ndawa go eko.
My habit, my choice. My habit, my choice. My habit, my choice.
Nobody has come to Kisumu to ask me what I think. Nobody has sat with me in person and explained what this law means for someone like me. Our constitution says that when a law affects ordinary Kenyans must be heard. We have been made aware that all oral hearings are coming up. We as traders in Kisumu are ready to receive our invite. I am asking the MPs not hold those hearings only in